Hey, I know why you're on this video because you want to know some marketing tools. Hey guys, latishadyulfo here coming out of San Diego, California. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell right next to it. Ding. Okay? So, we're going to get into it right now. Alright, so once again, thanks for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate it. I'm just trying to take you along the journey that I did when I first started. If you guys are just beginning here, you're new to the game, you just signed on, I just thought I'd start making a YouTube channel with all the things that I would be doing for hours at a time. You guys are probably spending hours finding stuff, so I thought my channel would be the best place to actually go find some information that's consistent, right? So let's go ahead and dive in. So what you want to know is, how do I market? Where can I find stuff, right? So, of course, you guys already know MCA does provide us, if you go to tvcmarketing.com, they have a presentation. I recommend printing that presentation out, put it in a nice little binder, and get a nice binder, guys, with some clear, those clear little slip-in things where you can slip the paper in there and print it out in color. Make it nice and presentable. Maybe even get a name tag if you're doing offline marketing. Put your little card in there, a nice clear little thing around your neck. Look professional, guys. So that way, because I know where I live at. I see a lot of people, they're, out there marketing. They're just like, here, take this or that. Or they're even doing door-to-door, which I don't trust. I never open my door for anybody. But, you guys like my music? I listen to a lot of cool matcha stuff. Alright, let's get started. So I already have them up because I know while I'm recording it might be a little slower. So I have all of the websites up that I'm going to go over. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, guys. And check out my website if you haven't signed up already, earncashonline.us. So let's get started. Alright, so one place which is really awesome, I really like their website. And this is actually really cool. MLM Marketing Tools, okay? Now, they have a cool shop here. You can get all kinds of stuff. So this is great, guys. These flyers, they're kind of like the shiny EDDM cards. These would be good for colleges, put on the boards, and they put your own information in there, of course. Look at that, $10, 10 to 90 bucks. You can even get cards for the benefits. I recommend getting pull tab flyers, which is really great to start out with. And, just skim the website. I mean, they have really good pricing on here. That's what I like about them. And they deliver really fast. So I recommend just checking that out. That way you guys have somewhere to go. They got a lot of cool cards on here, guys. It's really awesome. And this is all for MCA. So you can literally, I'm not going to go through every page, but I just think this is a great website to go to. And actually, one second. If you just type in mcaflyers.com, you'll be able to see that cool information. Alright, so let's go to the next website. And I'm blowing up over here, sorry guys, got my ads running. The life of automation. That'll be my next video that you're going to tune into. Alright, so here we have the mcaeshop.com. Write this down, guys. Write all this down or replay my video. Replay the video, actually. Just keep replaying it. Okay, so this site is actually pretty awesome. Let's see. They even have apparel. So they do websites. So let's just scroll down just a little bit. They do. They can install your website for you. They have all kinds of things like I was talking about earlier. The EDDMs where you can send everyday direct door mail using the post office. That is a little bit pricey. That can be up to like $500. But you can zero in on a certain area where you live at, which is awesome. Let's see, they got banners, business cards, brochures, door magnets, ID badges. I mean, you name it. They even have lawn signs. Like real estate people, they put their lawns those signs in the lawn. Boom. I'm thinking about actually doing that. I haven't done that. And I have another guy on my team saying he wants to do that too. So I think we might collab on something and see how that works out for us. And then that'll be probably my next update video. So you guys want to stay tuned for that. Even table tents. You know, if you're out there at these marketing events, guys, you can get a nice little table tent, set up your flyers, your business cards, and everything like that. Boom! You know, go to a fair or something like that. Maybe pay for a spot like $100, or maybe just do, you know, one of those places where you don't have to pay for a spot, like a farmer's market or something, you know. And they got everything. So this is all the apparel. Really awesome, guys. Even greetings, 800 numbers. Boom. You can go to Grasshopper for 800 number, guys. I recommend that for benefits, if you're marketing the benefits online. This is actually a pretty cool shop. Let's scroll down just a little bit. The websites are pretty pricey. I mean, you guys can make your own free websites. Go to like Wix or Webnode, or I heard Weebly's not that great. They've actually been flagging people that have Weebly sites that are using MCA. So if you got Weebly, you might want to change it. But maybe if you change your domain name, that might work. I don't know. Squarespace, guys, you can go there. Okay. So if you scroll down just a little bit, cheap business cards, boom, $6. Or you guys could even go to like here, vistaprint.com. You know, some people, they give you deals where you only just pay for shipping. But you know, you got to be creative. You got to make sure the content that you have is what you want to have on there. They deliver really quick, so that's another option. Or you can go to Tank Prints. But remember, you gotta, you know, make sure you know what you want on there and proofread everything, guys, 3 times, 10 times. Make sure it's right. I had this one girl, she had the word training spelled wrong. It was like TRAININI. And then somebody else had, let's see, they had their number was incorrect. I mean, some people even forget whatever you in your order. Make sure you review your order, because whatever's in that order, they're going to print it out. And somebody forgot to put their name, so it said at your name on the card, but with all their information. So just make sure you're reviewing everything, guys, okay? Be smart about it. It is your business, so triple check. And yeah, see, they even got bags. They got, you know, cool t-shirts to make you look even extra professional. I mean, this is pretty awesome. Once again, they have pretty penny, but once you start balling in the dough, I mean, treat it like a business and put money into it, and then you'll see results and get it all right back, okay? All right, we got another website. So this is motorclubcompany.com. Motorclubcompany.com basically has it all. Pretty awesome. I actually like them. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. You know, the life of living at home and multitasking. Okay, I'm just gonna turn that off. Alright. So, yeah, they can do websites as well. So what I would do is just check out what you like, guys, and write down, you know, the pricing for everything. You know, compare prices. I don't really like their flyer designs. But hey, it's another spot where you can get stuff, or maybe just even ideas on how to create your own. I mean, hey, let's type in, I'm pretty sure you guys probably know, let's see, canva.com. Guys, go to Canva, okay? Go to Canva, create, you know, they got flyers, postcards, you know, all that stuff. Create it here if you want to, it's free, and then you save it as a PNG file, you know, and boom. I mean, there you have it. So, oh, those are just some of my work that I actually use this a lot, so it's really great. So yeah, guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. Be sure to tune into my next video on how I can boost your MCA game. Since you have subscribed now, you're not going to miss out on anything. So don't forget, earncashonline.us. Check it out. That way, you know, and don't forget to add me on Facebook, Instagram. Click the links below. I'll drop the links for you guys. That way you won't miss out on anything. Love to meet new people and see how I can help you out. Alright, guys. Don't forget, go to the next video.